Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your email on LinkedIn. First of all, you have to open the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, on the top left corner of your screen, you can see your user icon. Tap on it. Under that, you have to go on View Profile, and at the top right corner, you can see your icon, that's Setting. Then it's gonna take a few seconds, and on your screen you can see at the third option there's Visibility. Select that. Now you have to go to the third option, that's Who can see or download your email address. Select that, and you have to keep your settings to only visible to me. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide your email visibility on your LinkedIn account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.